Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. My name is Eric. I'll be taking you through this topic, common solids, and for this particular lesson, we are going to cover something on models of common solids. We want to sample a few common solids and see how you'll be able to construct their models and how you can be able to apply. Possibly once we learn about a few, you'll be able to apply whatever you have learned in the field that you're going to look at, and you can be able to apply that in construction of models of other common solids, even including those which we have not mentioned in this particular those which we are not going to mention on this particular lesson. So we have a few questions here to help us with illustrating the procedures and just how to construct a particular model or a model of a particular solid. At the end of the lesson, we'll have some few questions in the form of assignment, just to help you practice and also to help you check whether you have really understood the concept as we are going to discuss during this lesson. So this is what you call a model. Okay, you construct such that you concretize. Somebody is able to see and touch whatever you've constructed. So we do this by use of a manila paper. So manila paper can easily work for this, So what we do is you apply what we have learned in this topic called common solid. So what we call the net. So you first of all start by constructing, trying to sketch accurately the net of the common solid that is mentioned. For example, here we are talking about a pyramid, okay, so whose base is a square of side 10 centimeters, and there is a slant height of 15 centimeters. Okay, so when you construct the net like this one here, then you should be able to cut out the manila paper. You do a cutout on the manila paper. So you cut out the net, fold it to form the pyramid. Now you make sure that the edges are held firmly. You're saying that the edges are held firmly using the sellotape. So you can see you mount the sellotapes at the ends. You can see the sellotapes. Okay. So that is basically the procedure. You start by constructing the model. So let's see if you have one like a cube. So you do the model first. I mean the net. So this is the net. So I start with the base. So this is the base. Then I have the sides. They're supposed to be 4. So we have the sides is supposed to be 4. So 2 will be on this other side. and 2 will be on the other side. Remember, for a cube, all the faces are the same. So we have the tape at the end there. So you make sure that each of these has a tape at the end. So you have that. Okay. Okay. So there is the so this will be this side here will be going to the top when you fold it. Or if you have this as the base, then this side here will be covering the other side. So this is our base. So this other side should not be there. So we'll have the tape maybe here. So this is the first side, the second side, the third side, and the fourth side. So there are 4 sides. Okay, and then each one of them must have a tape at the end. So there should be the top part. So let me draw the top part here. Then I also have the tape. So you just need to cut out this, and then you'll be able to have, you complete the net, the model, and then you'll be able to have all the faces, So we have all the 6 faces. So this being the top, and this being the side. So the second side, the third side, and fourth side, the first side. So 4 sides on the sides. Then this is the top, and then that is the base. So the same applies to the prism. So the prism can as well be you basically start with the net. When you start with the net, it may be so you start with the base as you draw the net. So this is the base. Then now you have the sides. So you make sure these measurements are the same. So if this is 10 centimeters, the other one must also be 10 centimeters. This must also be 10 centimeters. This must also be 10 centimeters. This should be 10 centimeters. This should be 10 centimeters. If this is 5, maybe this also be 5 centimeters and this also be 5 centimeters. So you have a triangular pyramid. So you change this to pyramid instead of prism. So that will help us form the model of a pyramid. So you make sure that each has a tape at the end. Okay. So the tape should be mounted at this end. And even this one here. So with that, if we complete it, you'll be having the model constructed already, the model of the pyramid. So you change this to prism. So with a square cross-sectional area. So the cross-section is a square. So you can attempt that together with the assignments when that can be soonest possible. Otherwise, that marks the end of the lesson. Until next time, goodbye.